Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a Shopify dropshipping business detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by researching your niche. Identify products that have demand but low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and social media to gauge popularity. Next, choose a reliable dropshipping supplier. Popular platforms include Oberlo, Spocket, and AliExpress. Evaluate suppliers based on product quality, shipping times, and customer service. Once you have your supplier, sign up for a Shopify account. Select a pricing plan that suits your budget and needs. Implement a catchy and memorable store name that reflects your niche. Then, customize your store's theme to enhance the user experience. Shopify offers a variety of professional themes to choose from. Make sure to include high-quality images and detailed product descriptions. Set up essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Next, configure payment options in your Shopify settings. Choose popular payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify Payments. Now, set your shipping settings based on your supplier's shipping options. Make sure to clearly communicate shipping policies on your site. After that, add your products to the store. Make sure each product has unique descriptions and tags for SEO. You can also create collections to organize products logically. Next, implement marketing strategies to attract traffic. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products. Consider running paid ads to reach a broader audience. Connect with influencers in your niche for potential collaborations. Once traffic starts coming in, monitor your analytics regularly. Use Shopify's built-in analytics tools to track sales and understand customer behavior. Adjust your strategies based on performance data to optimize sales. Finally, provide excellent customer service to foster loyalty. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.